In the previous video, we have discussed about the common emitter and common base configuration. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the common collector configuration of BJT. Let's start with common collector configuration of BJT. So the input terminal, base terminal is input terminal and output is collected from the emitter terminal. Collector terminal is common as the configuration is common collector configuration. And input voltage between base and collector, which is denoted by VBC, and output voltage is denoted by VEC. Input current is denoted by IB, and output current is denoted by IE. As you can see in the circuit diagram of NPN transistor, so common collector amplifier has high input impedance and low output impedance, and it has low voltage gain and also it has high current gain. Current gain भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है common collector amplifier का. So now coming to the input characteristics. Input characteristics, it describes the relationship between input current or base current, which is IB, and input voltage or base collector voltage, which is VBC. To determine the input characteristics, we have to keep output voltage VEC constant at 3 volt, as you can see in the graph of the input characteristics, and the input voltage is increasing from 0 to different voltage level, and also input current IB is noted at each and every point. So एक कर्व ड्रॉन होता है बिटवीन इनपुट करंट IB और इनपुट वोल्टेज VBC के बीच with constant output voltage VEC. In the next step, output voltage VEC increase from 3 volt to different voltage, and input voltage VBC is kept constant. So now while increasing output voltage 3 volt to certain voltage level and kept constant at 5 volt. Now input voltage VBC increase from 0 to different voltage level, and input current IB is noted. Now coming to the output characteristics of common collector configuration. It describes the relationship between output current IE, as you can see in the graph, and output voltage VEC, and input current IB is kept constant. In the first step, output voltage VEC increased from 0 to different voltage level, and output current IE is noted at each and every point. So एक कर्व ड्रॉन होता है between output current IE and output voltage VEC, और input current IB को constant रखते हैं. In the second step, input current increase होता है from 0 microampere to 20 microampere, and it is kept constant. As you can see in the graph, now the output voltage VEC को constant रखना होता है. And in the next step, input current after that, input current IB is kept constant at 20 microampere, और output volt VC increase होता है from 0 to different voltage level पे, and output current IE is noted. And एक कर्व ड्रॉन होता है बिटवीन एक कर्व ड्रॉन होता है आउटपुट करंट IE और आउटपुट वोल्टेज VEC के बीच में, और इनपुट करंट IB को कांस्टेंट रखते हैं. वो रीजन एक्टिव रीजन होता है ट्रांजिस्टर का, जब बेस करंट बहुत बहुत थोड़ा इंक्रीज़ होता है, स्लाइटली इंक्रीज़ होता है, और आउटपुट करंट भी जो आउटपुट करंट होता है वो बेस करंट के साथ इंक्रीज़ होता है. तो वो एक्टिव रीजन होता है. एज यू कैन सी इन द ग्राफ, वो रीजन एक्टिव रीजन होता है ट्रांजिस्टर का, और जब इनपुट करंट 0 पे सेट रहता है और आउटपुट करंट भी 0 पे सेट होता है, तो इट गेट 0 इनपुट. सो इन दिस कंडीशन ट्रांजिस्टर falls into cutoff region. As a result, no current will flow. It acts as an open circuit. वो एक ओपन सर्किट की तरह एक्ट करता है ट्रांजिस्टर. नाउ कमिंग टू द अदर रीजन विच इज़ सेचुरेशन रीजन। जब बेस करंट बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होता है तो उसके साथ साथ आउटपुट करंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होता है, तो ट्रांजिस्टर सेचुरेशन रीजन में होता है। नाउ कमिंग टू दी transistor parameter. Transistor, here are the transistor parameter, which is dynamic input resistance, which is denoted by Ri. So it is the ratio of change in input voltage VBC to the change in input current IB, and output voltage VC kept constant. ये एक रेशो होता है इनपुट वोल्टेज VBC टू द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग चेंज इन इनपुट करंट IB, और इसमें आउटपुट वोल्टेज VEC को हम कांस्टेंट रखते हैं। सो RI इज इक्वल्स टू डेल ऑफ VBC बाय डेल IB, एंड द कंडीशन इज आउटपुट वोल्टेज VEC is kept constant. Input resistance of common collector amplifier is high. Now coming to the other dynamic output resistance, which is denoted by RO. It is the ratio of change in output voltage VEC to the corresponding change in output current IE, and the condition is input current IB is kept constant while keeping input current constant. So output resistance of common collector amplifier is low. आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस इसका लो होता है, और RO इज इक्वल्स टू डेल ऑफ VEC बाय डेल IE. द कंडीशन इज input current is kept constant, which is IB is equals to constant by keeping input current constant. Now other current amplification factor, which is denoted by gamma. It is the ratio of change in output current IE to the change in input current IB. ये एक रेशो होता है आउटपुट करंट IE का और with the change in input current IB. So gamma is equals to del of IE divided by del of IB. So the current gain of common collector amplifier is high. I hope you guys understand.